Hi Aubrey, so nice to see you here in George.
Hi, Mike.
Great to see you again, and we're doing all things sectional title, so we thought we'd use the opportunity to talk about this wall we're looking at here. So this is a boundary wall, and we've had the engineer look at it, and the engineer says no, it's cracked and it's going to fall down if we don't replace it. So we're going to replace this wall. Do we need plans, and what else do we need from the municipality?
Thanks, Mike. Very interesting question, and there's a few things we need to consider. The first one will be to go to council and establish if a plan has ever been approved for that. In real life, we find that very few of these were ever put on a plan. If there was an existing plan and the wall will be built exactly the same, with the same foundation, same height, no problem, the plan is still valid. You'll just get the engineer to sign it off. If you make any changes to the wall, let's say the height or the distance between the pillars, of course then the whole scenario change and you need to submit new plans to council with the engineer certificate and have it inspected afterwards by the inspector to ensure that it was built that way.
Fantastic. Thanks, Aubrey. Because when we put a wall back, we want to make sure it goes back and we can still insure it. So thanks very much.
Thank you.